What's up guys, welcome to another video. I figured that I would film this because I haven't really had any time to set aside to film and record and give a proper update. I've just had school and work going on, but life happens, man. But I am still working on the E30. I played some clips before the video. If not, I'll put those right here.
Cover everything. Everything. Just get large trash bags, come in half, and then tape it to the ground.
I'll get that material.
Whatever, yeah. Just tape it to the ground.
But anyways, that's the quick update on the car for sanding wise, just sanding wise. I have been battling some surface rust issue just on this side. I am in the Gulf Coast and there is a high relative humidity here. And I do think the oils from our hands getting on the car actually started to speed up the oxidation rate, and of course it's just bare aluminum. But the whole car is going to be primered. I have been battling it on this side, and it's just surface, so I can easily take that down with like a fine grit sandpaper. That's fine. Now on the passenger side, we kind of changed it up a little bit, and we just wore gloves the entire time, and this side came out beautifully. We just still need a little bit right here. It's pretty much all done. It's low light right now because I'm recording this kind of in a dimly lit garage, but as you can see, it's mainly all there. So let me go ahead and run by the game plan of what I'm going to be doing. Also, if I haven't, I'm pretty sure I gave an update about it, but yeah, the steering rack and everything is in, even though it's covered by plastic. So the front suspension is pretty much almost done, 90% done, and then of course the rear subframe and the diff still needs to be rebuilt. I've been slacking on that as well. Right now I'm just trying to get it painted so I can get it, at roller status. It's long overdue, so that's what I'm really trying to push for, is just to get the car to be a roller. But anyways, here's the paint. I'm just using basically Rust-Oleum out of a spray can. It's just metal to metal primer, and what I'm going to do is just do a makeshift paint booth. So I'm gonna get on the ceiling, and then of course, tape the tarp down. Sorry, I kind of had to readjust the camera. But yeah, anyways, the idea is just to tape the tarp down and make a makeshift paint booth across the entire, four corners of the vehicle, and just sit on the inside edge with the paint mask and just paint away. Now, of course, I'm gonna have to tape off the engine bay, which, is already painted, just covered in dust pretty much from sanding the car. But yeah, engine bay is painted. If you haven't watched that video, I will put a link in the description, or put one of those little eye boxes in the corner of the video, so you can watch that as well. Let's see, what else do I got going on? I got small little upgrade right here, but I did get new kidney grills for the 7 Series. Yeah, the other ones were just looking a little bit aged, so I'll be throwing those on relatively soon. I'm not sure when. It'll just take a second, to be honest. The Corvette is outside in the driveway. I had a minor issue with that, but I actually got the TIC Performance Clutch Master Cylinder that's installed, so that car is actually track ready. But that's a quick update on it. I can go ahead and show you the steering, actually. Just a small little milestone and what we have going on. So this is top dead center steering, and for the most part it looks like it's straight. And we will turn the wheel, and we have a moving part on here now. I'm just glad I got that done. Steering rack wasn't too bad to do. I guess I can go ahead and show you exactly what I did. It's straightforward. I do want to get the upgraded, I want to say it's like a CNC design little piece right here from Garagistic, and it basically alleviates this rubber bushing right here, and I guess that causes the steering to become kind of floaty over time and a little bit loose, because that's like 20 years old, man. It's pretty old, but yeah, pretty much just mounted it up to the steering rack. There's little notches that tell you how to align it. It's really straightforward, and it, I actually did take 2 people, so I could have one person in the car to tell me when it was at top dead center and kind of hold the steering wheel there. You can kind of do it if you have the key. With one person, it's actually doable with one person. But yeah, if you ignition lock it and you get the steering wheel straight up and down, or as close to it as you can, and then you can align the little teeth on the steering rack to where it, it mates up. But this didn't take that long. I don't remember if I filmed this before, but I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it in this video anyways. But the steering's done, and of course roll cage is still in here, still needs to be bolted in. And this is just super dirty. It's just super dirty. I need to clean this. It needs to be cleaned. A lot of things need to be done. Another small update that just something small. You can see it. Got a battery for it. E30 has a battery. It's just sitting here chilling, covered in dust. So yeah, battery. You know, I'm actually entertaining the idea of, I'm gonna get a light. You can't see anything back here. Hold on. All right, this should do. Yeah, so here is the trunk. It is the same as it has been. I still need to paint this. But the other day, somebody actually brought up the topic of weight proportion. Now, this is actually something that I thought about before, but I kind of just put it on the back burner. I might run 2 batteries in here. So I got the battery, I just got a Napa battery, I think, for that side. It's not in there right now. But I'm thinking about something, you know, maybe putting something over here just to get more weight in the back. I don't want to put a donut back there, but I don't know. I'm trying to think of how proportionally weighted the car is going to be, because all the weight is going to be in the front, because that is a pretty heavy motor. I'm going to keep the hood off. That's just general idea of what I'm planning on doing, but I guess we'll end up seeing, you know, in game, of course. But alright guys, I know that was a quick update, but that's really all I have for right now. If you are stopping in for the first time and you're interested in seeing a 2JZ SWAP E30, go ahead and click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do upload a video. Thank you for stopping in. I wish I had more content to put out, but this is just going to be a small little update. As for right now, I'm out.